Funky D, everybody. Welcome back to Funky D. News time. I think say this server matter when article rely on, when they say they rely on, then when be the PDP political party. You know see then talk say na INEC server na him then bring the result come out. Later the come talk say na somebody when they inside INEC, see na that person that is a whistleblower, see na one whistleblower when they for INEC, say na them copy the result come give Atiku Abubakar and PDP members. So you know, before them be first talk say na INEC server, and again they can say no, say na whistleblower. Now they can Atiku Abubakar say no, say na the but Funky D don't know whether the issue of whistleblower, whether na fake news or Funky D don't know whether that one are fake news, you know, because I know say in social media when we dey so many people they give fake news, and na the thing when I don't want. Now the thing when in this platform we know they do am, we know they compromise as it they happen. Now him Funky D they give on her. So I can't say I don't know whether that one where they talk about whistleblower, whether not fake news, Funky D, no know. But now Atiku Abubakar now in the court and say now the INEC server when we copy the result, say them they visit the server every now and then. Now so then tell APC people that they go say then they visit that INEC server since that they are fake, since when they start that they are fake election. They can't even they brag, that is Atiku Abubakar self can't see they brag say on April 12th at 4:58 p.m. in say then visit that INEC server, and na that time when they get the final result, when we say na INEC them publish them. Now that time when they get the final result, when INEC don't already publish, then maybe after they don't publish that thing, when they publish, they don't say that Atiku win. This one are my own thinking, okay? Because Funky D not know who win and who not win, but we go they talk the matter as far as the matter they for social media. No matter what we no go fit talk in this platform. As far as that matter they for social media, the trend, we must talk the matter. No matter who first talk say this thing happen, we must to carry them again, can't repeat them, so that the world may know. So you understand? Now the reason why when Funky D they here be that, to explain and emphasize more to people. People when not know the way when they work in Nigeria, when politics they work, they batting when the government they do Nigerian people, the way when they do their politics, the way when they kill our people, innocent people for that matter. So all these are the reason why. In fact, anything that concern Nigeria, now him make Funky D they here. That's why I say any news when come out, we must do the talking. So far na trending news. So now Atiku don't talk say he no go agree lie say na him win the election at the end of the day. But APC people, as you know them already, they no one agree say na Atiku Abubakar win the election. Okay, let's say for example, as Atiku Abubakar them don't write that thing where they say they don't write. Na him, but this way when they call INEC, they don't know what thing they happen because they think say na so it go just be as they just come and can't tell us say Buhari win, we go just buy it like that. They don't know say after all those things what they don't do, PDP themselves don't strategize on how they want to catch them. Say oh na be wuru people. Although INEC and PDP and APC, all of them, now the same criminal, all of them be. We are not supporting anybody You understand? But as things they come, na so we go dey talk and they go. So now, because he say, be like say, after that thing, when Atiku don't do, then I neg them now, though they don't know, say, maybe Atiku, they monitor anything, you know, or monitor their server. I neg them, I can't do the wuru, can't go right, say, Jubri win election. Because Jubri don't give them 245 billion to conduct election. Election where they don't spend even 1 billion. They say that 245 billion. And people, they hungry. No school, no hospital, no road, no electricity. Then they bring out 245 billion for election. Where they spend the money? I been at the money when they pay the militaries when they go disrupt the election. Funky D, no where they put that 45 billion. Then go come answer the query, ladies and gentlemen. Enough is enough. Okay? Now, you know, I remember say INEC too. We get the time now when INEC can talk, say they don't talk many times again. Say them not correlate any result electronically. They not put anything in any electronically. Let's just put it that way. Nothing. Say everything what they do na manual. But these INEC people, they don't come back before the first time tell us say everything will be electronic. But now they can't deny say na manual. As Atiku don't catch them, make una see as Nigerian government. And I don't know why they can't preach unity. I don't know the reason why they come out they preach peace. I don't know why the reason why they fake, they deceive people. They preach unity. Which kind nonsense unity they preach when be Nigerian government? They preach waiting not they on our hearts to deceive the gullible ones, to deceive Nigerian people. If you want unity, Jubril. If you want unity, the senators. If you not want unity, the governors. This election when you rig, make you annul the election. Make you cancel the election. If you not want peace. Because now this kind of a thing, when they do small, Atiku say this, Jubri say this, INEC say this, Keyamu say this, the other one say that, this one say that, APC say this, PDP say this. Now this kind of thing, they bring serious destabilization. Now this kind of thing, they bring serious war, political war. All this one say, that one say, before you know what thing that happen, as you see them, all of them, they plan bad things when they want to do to each other. Buhari them go down, they plan bad things when they want to do to PDP people. The same PDP people, they go down, they plan evils when they go do against APC people. Now so politics they work, ladies and gentlemen. So that's why from Kidi they talk, say, if you now want peace and unity, this kind of election, this kind of sham election, we not supposed cancel the election and do rerun if possible, to avoid serious conflict, to avoid problem, to avoid instability. Problem when Nigeria get when we say serious internal war, serious internal civil war, internal problem when Nigeria get, they never fit solve that one. Then Jubri Aminu al-Sudani by using INEC and the army to rob the people of Nigeria hands down against their will. Then Boko Haram, they one side they kidnap. Herdsmen, they one side they kidnap. Kidnappers, they do their own. Killers, they their own, they do. Robbers, they their own, they do. Police, they kill innocent people every time. They shoot innocent Nigerian people. Then, now, Buhari come carry his own. Abi Jubri come bring his own. Come take baptize everybody when they that country. Now so, on a unity. Now so unity they come. I mean, so people they take unite. I mean, so the unity just be. I don't understand. So now, Atiku Abubakar whole grant, say men, say they must see the end of this matter, say na him win the election. In fact, Atiku Abubakar say, everything when they get when be PDP people, from the information, the data, the document, the footage, the image, and the photograph. Everything come from the INEC themselves. Now waiting then collect evidence. When evidence is when they collect from the INEC. Now him then they rely on. See, now them win the election. Because this result in say on the 12th, April 12th. Say in see visit that place. Instead visit that place. Say that the final result, when them publish, when INEC publish, na him then collect from the INEC server. In fact, Atiku and his PDP people, they can't quote the number from this show. They can't quote the number and everything concerning the INEC server. The whole serial number, everything, then they quote them for them. Say now this number, say the only thing now when he want to do now, the next step now, say he go invite Microsoft, IBM, Oracle as witness. Make them come investigate APC and the server rich grant. Make them see whether not be that INEC server then collect that result. See, ladies and gentlemen, he won't bring Microsoft investigators, let me put it that way. Microsoft, IBM, Oracles. He won't bring them come Nigeria now as witness. Who know whether that madam then you know say that one no go reach Atiku Abubakar do. INEC don't tell us say they go collect results electronically. The end of the day, because they say PDP don't catch them. They say manual then do all the whole thing where they do. How can you come out and tell us say how una want make Nigerian people trust una? How una want make Nigerian people, this one they call unity. How una want make we when be Nigerian citizens trust una? When we say una not trust una self. Even as Nigerian people fool everywhere, ladies and gentlemen, you know believe say army people that they go carry retired generals when they don't retire since how many years ago back to the army. When able-bodied men, young guys fool everywhere, then they recruit again some retired general when they suppose use men when they say their brain they work. Take do things when they want to do, then they go bring old men when Ogogoro don't finish for village. They recruit them back to army because they don't want to make young people when they that country survive. Only Nigeria, all these things that happen. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're not here now waiting. This man don't talk with this man they call Ambode. Because he be like say he get one thing because I know say Ambode according to Lagosians they say Ambode say they like the man, but Tinubu not like the man because Tinubu been like the man before, but now when he come be say he be like say Ambode not they give him enough money when he's supposed to they collect as a godfather, former godfather to Ambode. Now Tinubu can say Ambode no get say in that city when they call Lagos again. Or in that state where they call Lagos. So Ambode can go carry Tinubu can go carry Sanwo-Olu now. Now him Tinubu don't do wuru. Everything when that Tinubu they do, ladies and gentlemen, are evil. I don't know the country when Tinubu won't come run as president. Because they don't say Tinubu they come 2023. Funky did not understand. So I say sure. Now Ambode just bust out, come they tell and say he get money, he get loan. When it be like say they won't try accuse Ambode get loan when say they get loan when the Lagos state government borrow. You get money where they go borrow. Now borrow from I don't know whether na China, been na America, been na I don't know where they not mention the place where they borrow the money, but they say that money na $1.4 billion, ladies and gentlemen. When they wanted to hang it on Ambode neck. Now Ambode just he can't commode the rope, say man, say not be him, say na this man what they call Tunubu and Fashola, say na them thief that money. Now say na thief that money. They not use that money do anything. 1.4 billion, ladies and gentlemen. Ambode say not be his tenor. Say since when he enter power as Lagos State governor, he never go borrow any money. Say na money when Lagos State government they make. Na him in the use, they do the good job when they do for Lagos State people. Funky D here say Ambode na better person, but I cannot confirm it, ladies and gentlemen, because that man is an APC member. Make una see money when that man, what they call Tunubu, all of them they do like say, then they are above the law. And they want peace to reign in that country. And then they talk say they want unite. I don't know the kind unity when these people they preach. Again, La Muhammad again don't bust out from nowhere. They say La Muhammad go approve what 2 point what? 2 point what? Let me see. La Muhammad go approve 2.5 billion, ladies and gentlemen. La Muhammad and that money when that man go approve, they say na fraud. La Muhammad take that and do. La Muhammad with one they say that you want to say La Muhammad now our information minister. He don't admit say him. Say na somebody force him to sign that 2.5 billion naira loan payment when he make. Say they make the payment. Say everything what they do, they make the payment. Go give one company they call a private digital broadcasting distribution, something like that. It be like say that company they for Lagos, Abuja, Funky did not know where, and I don't want to know. But when I want to tell I be say that La Muhammad, all of them. Now money then they chop, now money then they loot, now money then they thief. Then say that thing. Army people have been at police, have been at DSS when go catch they talk say they no go arrest the man because the man say now somebody force him. I been at somebody push him. I say, what is all this thing? How can La Muhammad come and they tell us say somebody deceive him or somebody push him to sign 2.5 billion naira? Now they tell them, I say all of them before they enter office, every morning these people they first smoke something. How old man like La Muhammad when get grown up children go they tell the world say in sign 2.5 billion naira. Say now somebody deceive him. No, understand. How can La Muhammad come and they tell us say, and these people now the set of men when they use corruption, they block our ear. When we say Buhari Abi Jubri government is the most corrupt government ever seen. Buhari government is the most corrupt government ever seen. And this government is led by Abba Kyari and Alhaji Mama Daura. That is why we see the things when they happen in that country. Them, when they there, they not send us message because then they use Buhari name, they propagate. Why the person when they talk about, then say that one don't die since many years ago, buried in Saudi Arabia. Now, after this, when they don't bring these people come, they want us to still believe, say, now Buhari did there. Ta, ladies and gentlemen. Funky D. And then we go stop today, ladies and gentlemen. If you get any comment based on this matter of Atiku Abubakar, because Funky D say, now these people, now then they bring stabilization. And I say, now then they bring instability to that country. Now them one crisis, now them they bring that crisis, now then they call for crisis. And they want us to believe, see, because they don't already before tell us, say, they don't defeat Boko Haram. Now Boko Haram full everywhere, ladies and gentlemen. So we go stop this matter here today. If you get anything when you want to talk concerning this matter, when Funky D race today, Atiku Abubakar say, na him win election. Atiku Abubakar say, over his dead body, he's not giving up. PDP say, no, we no give you this position. You come from Cameroon. So, if you get any matter, anything when you want to talk, any contribution when you want to make regarding this thing when we don't talk today, just the comment they come. If you never share my video, make sure you share Funky D's video. And make you do not forget to press that best sign when they're there. Funky D. One love, everybody. God bless. Thank you. Bye.